Hi guys, this is Shayon. Good evening. I've come up with this video to make a very important announcement for all of you aspirants, those who are preparing for CAT, those who are preparing for SBI PO, or those who are preparing for IBPS PO for that matter. This is one of the biggest announcement from my side as of now. So basically, this video is a navigation kind of a video for you to understand how to use the Unacademy portal, and also you can view my courses on Unacademy Plus, which is the CAT subscription plus, and also I'll be giving you details about it on how to go about it. I'll show you the navigation as well. So all you need to do is you need to visit the URL, which is unacademy.com, as you can see on the URL search, right? And you will be landing onto a page something like this, where you'll be introducing to the Plus subscription, and you'll be having different kind of courses pertaining to UPC preparation, pertaining to SSC preparation, pertaining to your banking preparation, and most importantly, pertaining to your CAT preparation as well, right? So you can find this group called CAT preparation, and you'll be able to find my courses over there, and also courses hosted by other Plus educators, other good educators on Unacademy Plus as well. So what is your job? Your job is to search my name over here. If you search Shayon, Shayon, you will be finding a link with my name. I have just launched the course today itself, today, which is 22nd of July. So I've just launched the course today, and the course is something about CAT, arithmetic, time and work, right? So since arithmetic is one of the most important topic in any kind of competitive examinations, any kind of entrance examinations, so I thought of targeting this section so that you can gain the maximum from it. And I've started with this course, which is time and work. I'll be taking around 25 to 30 lessons on this course, which will include concept classes, which will include practice sessions as well. So let me just click over on it. Before you click on it, do click on the follow button so that whenever I post any new lesson or whenever I post any new course, you'll be notified directly to your notification page on Unacademy Plus, right? So you can click on it, and you will find introduction to arithmetic. There's a short video of 9 minutes, and also you'll be finding the concept class 1. You'll be finding concept class. You'll be finding practice session 1. Fourth, you'll be finding practice session 2. Fifth, you'll be finding practice session 3, and then more lessons would be added to it, where you'll be getting concept class 2, concept class 3, concept class 4, which will be including topics, uh, subtopics on time and work, which would be the MDH formula, which would be the pipes and systems, which will be the time and work, alternate days concept, and also a couple of other concepts I'll be discussing here as well. So those concepts will be followed by practice sessions, and you'll be getting somewhere around 25 to 30 lessons in all from arithmetic, time and work portion, right? Also, if you like the lessons, do leave your review out here, since this is the first day that I've launched this program, which is 22nd of July. So I would definitely look forward to your reviews as well, and also uh, how are you actually liking the video, and if you need anything which is particular to the subject time and work, you can also put your comments out here, right? So all you need to do is you need to enroll to the course. The enrollment fee is nothing but just 1 rupee. Now how do you enroll it? All you need to do is sign up. If you do not have an academy account, if you do not have an academy account, you can just sign up with your email id and the login details, password. With those details, password, you can log into an academy, your profile, and then you can go to CAT subscription plus. So you can go to CAT subscription plus, and you pay just 1 rupee using the code TRYCAT. Using the code TRYCAT. So I'll be giving the details as well. So this is our Facebook group, which is named Eduneer. This is our Facebook group, which is Edunia Prep at the rate Edunia Prep Cat slash Bank PO 2019. Right. So all you need to do is go to that enrollment page of Unacademy and use the code which is given out here, which is TRICAT. Use the code which is given TRICAT. If you use this code, you will be getting this entire course for free. Not just this course, but also courses which are available on Unacademy Plus under the CAT category. You'll get everything for free. Everything for free. All you need to do is just pay 1 rupee for the transaction processing charge. That's it. So the transaction processing charge is 1 rupee and you're getting every course for free. Mark my words, every course for free. Yes, this is very, very important for you guys. All those who are seriously preparing for it. Right? So as of now, you'll be finding 5 lessons in my course. So after you enroll, you'll be getting the access to all these 5 courses or 5 lessons as of now. So I'll be adding more videos on this. So whenever I add a video, you'll be getting the notification directly. Okay? So if you want to know how the time and work or how arithmetic portion is important, so you can read this out here. If you want to know a bit about me, you can read it over here. And if you want to know more about me, you can visit my Facebook page, which is Edunia Prep Cat Bank 2019, as I'm showing you out here. And also, apart from all these things, you can visit our Edunia channel, which is Edunia Prep, and you'll be getting hell lot of videos out here. You'll be getting hell lot of videos out here to learn, to practice, and to ask any doubt whatsoever in this entire process of your preparation. So we have many playlists out here. We have playlists for quant, modern math. We have playlists for quant mixtures. We have a different playlist for quantitative aptitude, which will include everything out there. We also have logical and data interpretation playlist and also English playlist as well. Right? So also subscribe to this channel as well so that you get notified whenever we post an awesome new video. So again, I would tell all of you that go ahead, subscribe to my Unacademy Plus course, enroll it with the code TRICAT so that you get the entire course fee slashed at just ₹1. Thank you guys. This is it from my side. Signing off.